So guys, the rear end is doing that noise again. Look, I'm going into gear. I'm in reverse. I don't know if it's a safety issue because I'm on a hill. There's no brake, nothing's pulled. But when I let off the clutch, hear that? Only in reverse. I don't know what's up with that. I don't like it. Perfect. I'm sick of this COVID shit, man. Welcome on back to TK's Garage, where they don't have actual breakfast at hotels anymore. Yeah, and my shirt, the shirt is covered in, like I literally walked in the door at that intro and I had the phone sitting right here so I could put the key card on, and the coffee just went hot coffee all over the arm, all over my shirt. Fun times, but we're getting the video started today. And today's video, I actually need some help, but back to what I was saying real quick. Who else is tired of this pandemic shit? Because if you travel a lot like me, one of the benefits of you staying at a decent or a nice hotel like this is that you get breakfast included, okay? Right now, I feel like I'm staying at a low budget extended stay as opposed to a $250 a night hotel. Now, what I mean by that is my breakfast consists of a cup of coffee, which is pretty standard, and that. Not to mention, the pillows kind of suck. I got cowlicks in my hair now. You see that right there? No, man, that's not a good look. All right, let's get into the video. All right, guys, so I need some help. My Challenger is effectively broken, and this is for all my Mopar people out there today that might be able to give me some insight into what the hell's going on with my car. So the rear end of my vehicle has been replaced before under warranty. I did it back in, I think October was when this was done. No big deal, you know. I think it was like 2 days they got it done. It was replaced. And it literally just grenaded. It came apart. They said it was it didn't have enough fluid in the rear end or whatever. It was covered under warranty. So now it only happens if I'm on an incline. And here at the beginning, I posted the video, but I'll post it again. So here's my issue. My issue is whenever I'm parked on even the slightest incline, not to mention if it's deep, but a slight incline, and I go to back up from that incline, there's heavy resistance. Even in neutral, it just won't go backwards. I initially thought brakes, so I had somebody else try to back the car up where I got out. And I actually, you're gonna say this was reckless, but I stuck something in to see if there was like space between the pads and the rotors, and there was. So it's not the brakes, but it sounds like, listen to this video. Could it be my axle? Could it be an axle and not the rear end? I don't know. I don't know enough about Dodge and these Challengers to know what exactly is going on, but this is absolutely not the first time this has happened. I think I've even posted this very specific issue on Instagram at TK's Garage before. And it was funny, you know, when I went to the dealership the first time for the rear end, it was like, yeah, it's so common. If you have a rear end with the 307 gears in it, like they just blow up or they just come apart. Now, the thing that the dealer said recently, and I brought it back into them, that's usually going forward that they bind up, right? Not backwards. So I would love your guys' insight here in the comment section. Share this video out. This is not like a regular video where I'm talking about something or showing you guys something. This is me using my platform to gather more information to find out what the actual F is going on with my ScatPack. So it's not a mechanical issue. Like, you know, I'm lucky enough that I don't have to deal with MDS or none of that other crap because I have a manual. Video on that coming soon on why manuals are better than automatics if you're buying a Dodge. I don't even know if you can get a manual and a charger. Let me know. I don't even know if that's even an option. But all right. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'm gonna go ahead and put the clip of the car screaming like a little bitch when I'm trying to back up. Now, what's funny is, does it keep doing it every time? No. Once it does it that one time, when I back up a little bit, it almost feels like it just stops. It breaks free after it rolls, after I get it to, and I literally, you can hear it. I have to give it throttle for it to move. And it's not just in gear. I can leave it in neutral. Not in gear. I can leave it in neutral and it will still have that same resistance. Maybe it's a safety feature because it's on an incline. You know, they had that actor from Star Trek that got run over by a Jeep. I don't know if this is a safety feature and they're supposed to do that. I hope not, because that's stupid. Because I'll delete that ASAP. Or if it's a defect. I'd love to know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Any of you guys' insight. There is no wrong answers here. I literally just want to grab information so I can do more research and find out what the hell is going on with my car. With that said, I am here in Birmingham, Alabama today. You guys will probably get another Copart video at some point today. Yeah, but I am out here because there's a massive sliders event going on out here. I'm going to get some good footage from a legal spot. This is not on the street. So I thoroughly encourage that. And let me know what you guys think about me opening a spot. Like, you know, you have Six Flags, but what if we opened a Six Flags type of place in Houston where the Houston Police Department can't say shit about what we do with our cars on private property? I'm seriously considering opening not just a slider spot, but maybe a very short, nothing big. Think New Smyrna Beach Speedway or New Smyrna Speedway in Florida, very small oval track. I don't know. I think the sliding thing alone would be huge, but and some burnout pits or something. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Anyways, thank you guys very much for watching. I appreciate the help. Shout out to the entire Houston fam. Shout out to everybody here in Birmingham, Alabama. We will, I'm sure there'll be some lit videos. If you're following me on TikTok and or at Instagram at TK's Garage, I'll be going live there several times today. And I'll catch y'all later. Peace. So guys, the rear end is doing that noise again. Look, I'm going into gear. I'm in reverse. I don't know if it's a safety issue because I'm on a hill. There's no brake, nothing's pulled. But when I let off the clutch, hear that? Only in reverse. I don't know what's up with that. I don't like it. Alright guys, if you liked today's video, consider clicking that subscribe button that's right here on your screen, or checking out one of our other videos right here.